Automatically generate optimal routings based on CAD part parameters. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides advanced workflow automation capabilities to automatically analyze your 3D CAD models to determine optimal fabrication steps based on CAD part parameters. Once Global Edge analyzes and generates CAD part parameters from your sheet metal CAD models, Global Edge includes a powerful configuration engine to generate optimal routing steps based on the CAD part parameters. The routing steps generated can be based solely on cost and/or delivery time. This includes the generation of optimal routing steps based on CAD part parameters. Global Edge Engineering Assistant takes the guesswork out of determining the optimal routing steps to optimize and increase shop floor capacity based on cost and/or delivery time. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.